All right, template time. We've been using templates quite often with the shower pan. It just really speeds up the time. We're gonna take this down, lay it down on the tile, make our marks, quickly make our cuts, and then we have everything ready to install. We're gonna make some cuts. For the shower pan here, here's our template, super simple. Place it so that it is symmetrical. For your drain location and the perimeter, just mark it with a black marker, Sharpie, and cut off the line. Very important to label each sheet. Another reason we love Schluter, this pan was waterproofed about an hour and a half ago. We're now installing the tile. All in the same day, speeds up time. Everything's labeled. Let's install. Alrighty guys, floor tile is installed. Our shower pan is nice and protected. Plastic, blue tape, as well as cardboard. So, time for tile. We've got our laser up. We're gonna be snapping in this bathroom with the Montelite. This will cut the majority of the tile for this shower, the back walls, as well as the side walls. We will use our tabletop tile saw for the notches around the window. All right, so here's the tile that we're installing. It's a concrete matte porcelain, concrete look. It'll go well with our Carrera pan. Nice and clean. First row going up. We are moving right along your concrete look shower. It's gonna look clean, simple, and modern. We have some nice Schluter Jolly that matches very well. We'll cut out this band right here, the membrane. We're gonna do a lot of drywall work, obviously, where we remove the old vanity. Drywall work over here, but yeah, moving right along. Finalize this wall. We're gonna do the niche and tile around the window. Trimmed out with Schluter Jolly. Nice, tight, clean miters. Let's go. Alrighty then, moving right along. We're going to install our Ditra down on the floor. Install our floor tile here. We have a Carrera porcelain that matches really well with our shower pan tile. We have to address some drywall, so we're going to do some drywall work, drywall work, drywall work, spray some texture prior to painting this bathroom, but everything is looking good. Everything is going as planned. Floor today, curb today, drywall work today, and then that's pretty much it. Let's go.